So hello everyone, and so in this time I am trying something new, and I am so proud to say that, because at the beginning of making this illustration I was so scared that what was the outcome and all this thing, but at the same time I am also very excited to make this illustration, because I never tried mixing all these references and color before. So I am so excited, and for each references I marked what are the area which I liked in this references, and those are the areas which I am going to focus more on. So I mix all these references and make my own artwork. So this is the rough sketch. After finishing the rough sketch, then I moved to the outline sketch. So for the outline sketch, I use my glitch chalk brush. So you can find this brush in my shop. So I'll put the link down below in the description. So please make sure to check it out. And one thing is that for the bubbles, I don't draw the rough sketch at the beginning of this illustration. So I just put the bubbles at the end of my finished illustration. So I just finish the isometric sketch, and then after that I'll draw the bubbles separately. And for speed up the process, I use my isometric stamp brushes to decor the art piece. In case if you are interested to get these brushes, I'll put the link down below, so please make sure to check it out. And then for the coloring part, I made a separate video for the coloring process, so please make sure to also check it out. You will get more insights around my coloring process. So yeah, so, and one thing I want to say is that if I face some art block sometime, so I ideally use my stamp brushes to create some illustration. If I have no energy to draw any illustration from scratch, so I basically use my stamp brushes to just use these and make something unique illustration. So yeah, and this is my way to tackle my art block sometimes. please don't draw every day. I mean is that first of all you have to understand yourself. Just look at yourself and just ask yourself, is that and do you like to draw every single day, or do you draw like taking few days off, or maybe you want to draw one on your weekend, like whatever you do. So please make sure you have to save your appetite. I think this is the best way to stay curious and excited for your artworks, uh, because this is my favorite way to stay creative or reduce my burnout. Uh, so, if I take my example, I can't draw every single day. So, I just draw once per week, like on my weekends, like every single week, I make, uh, I draw, and this is perfect for myself. So, just in general, if I ask you, one thing is that why we feel burnout, because we put too much pressure that we have to draw every single day. Just use your inner voice, like uh, trust me, and just take some gaps between your drawing period, like just uh, like 2 or 3 days off and then draw. This is my way to reduce my burnout thing or stay creative and excited about my artwork. So now this is the final part of this video, which is drawing the bubbles, and I am so excited to draw this bubble after finishing the whole illustration, like from sketch part to the coloring part. I draw this bubble in a separate layer so that I can change the shape or size and the colors after finishing the artwork if I need to. So that was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you get some insights to how I stay creative and how I deal with burnout and the problems which I face during my artwork. And yeah, and thank you so much for your love and support. It really means a lot to me, because it really feels like dream for me, because I never knew that someone is really waiting for my artwork and appreciating my work. So it's really felt like I am truly grateful for your all your love and support. I really appreciate you all, and yeah, that's it for this video. And yeah, so just be creative, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.